everybody.
Hello family, welcome back to Mama's Easy Country Cooking. Boy, we got a good one today. 2 ingredient, maybe 3 ingredient fudge, depending on how you like it. Y'all stay tuned to this one.
Good afternoon everybody. I'm back again and today we're going to be making some candy. Has 2 ingredients plus you might want 3 if you want to put nuts in. But winter's coming, holidays coming, and everybody's got to make candy for Christmas. And this is going to be peanut butter fudge candy. Okie dokie, so we got our 10 ounces of peanut butter morsels. They're going to the microwave. And we're going to heat this for 30 seconds. And then we'll check it, and then we may heat it another 30 seconds until we get it the right consistency. So we're going to the microwave now for 30 seconds. Okay everybody, we've got it out. It took 1.5 minutes to melt the chips down to like peanut butter.
In your 1100 watt microwave, yeah.
In a 1100 watt microwave.
All right, what you doing now, Mama?
Well, now we're going to add 16 ounces of creamy home style frosting, dark chocolate.
Wow, those 2 ingredients. Now folks, you can variate this so many ways. They got so many frostings on the market. Don't get whipped frosting, get the creamy frosting. You can make this so many different ways with different chips of your choice, vanilla, chocolate, you know, it's just endless, you know, the possibilities with this fudge recipe here.
Well, it sure does smell good. Okay, now everybody, we're going to mix our chocolate with the peanut butter. I'm going to stir it up good.
Yeah, the possibilities are really endless with this. So many variations you can do with different frostings and different chips. Mama, does this go back in the microwave?
Yes, for 30 seconds.
Okay.
And you have to work faster with it too, because peanut butter chips and peanut butter begins to reharden real quick.
All right.
Now back to the microwave. Oh yeah.
All right, that looks good.
All right, we're going to swirl this up right quick. It's all liquid now, but it won't be for long. Sure does smell good.
It looks good and smells good. So easy. Y'all, Mama decided to show y'all this fudge. She's probably making this probably around 10, 15 years. She found the recipe. But these things are so easy. We got such a great response from the 1, 2, 3 cookies because folks don't want to spend a lot of time making this stuff. And these little 1, 2 recipes are so perfect for the moms that are tired when they come home.
Now we've got an 8x8 baking dish, and we've lined it with wax paper to where there'll be no grease or nothing. And now everybody, once I've got it all in here, we're going to shake it down and get it even. And then we're going to add the 3rd ingredient on top.
Folks, this is so easy and so quick and so good.
And a Christmas candy.
Absolutely.
Sure. Okay, we've got that. And now we got some walnuts. A little bit of walnuts on top. Nobody will never know that you get to spend 2 or 3 hours making this.
That's exactly right, y'all.
Scrumptious, I'm going to say Christmas candy.
Yes, absolutely.
But it's candy for me every day. Okay, that's just about got enough. Just going to barely pat them down where they won't fall off until they get completely set back up.
Now, Mama, how long you put this in the refrigerator?
Well, I would say just put it in there for probably 1 to 2 hours. That'll give it all time to go back to its original shape. Because we liquefied a solid, so the liquid's got to turn back to solid.
That's right. Okay, everybody, we'll see y'all in a couple of hours.
Okay, everybody, our fudge is done. Thank goodness. It's been in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. So now we're going to take it out and show you what it looks like. All you have to do is get a hold of the wax paper, lift it up over to the board, peel the paper back. Of course, you can make this a lot thicker if you want to go thicker with it by putting it in a smaller pan or doubling your recipe. So we're going to cut little.
How firm is that, Mama? That firm up good?
Yeah, it really is. Now,
give us a taste test of that, Mama.
I am right here. Yes, it's very good. Tastes like peanut butter fudge.
That easy. Let me get a close-up of that. Show them how firm it is. It just comes out so perfect, Joe. Just like fudge that may have 10 ingredients in it. Is it good?
Tastes like store-bought candy. And
That's what we wanted to hear.
it's good.
All right.
Okay, everybody. Bye. Y'all have fun eating all this candy. Get ready for Christmas.
That's right, y'all. We're going to fill y'all up with some candy and cake and some good recipes coming up. Y'all, we really appreciate y'all watching.
We do. Bye.